first of a hopefully a long new episodes of Rod Chilli's fishing excursions down here at Evans Head at the moment. The first usage of the Hero 3, and had a bit of a ball here this morning. Got stuck into a few mullet, and just along the wall somebody caught a jewie, I think the other afternoon. The jewie scales down the end of the wall here, and I'm just going to turn the camera around and have a look. Have a look at that. Big patch of mullet. Nice big patch of mullet. Well, there was 30 times that there this morning, and there's a lot of fog, overcast, and there was just mullet all through all this up until there's a car up there. There's Esther. How you going, lovey? She's in the car, she's sitting there. She had a ball watching me jag a few mullet this morning, and going to go back out on the wall where the dolphins were here too this morning, and there was a shark, a decent shark hanging around with them. They didn't seem to bother one another. So there you have it. When the mullet are around, the predators are around. So they're there for a reason. So back out this afternoon to see how it goes. See if we can get a jewie. Catches later. Hello. Second chapter to this story. Had a snooze, had a bit of a bite, and came down, put a bit of chicken, hot roast chicken from the bloody shopping centre, and put the skin on, and have a look what she caught. My doll Etta. First Evans Head bream on a piece of chicken skin. And even though it's only small, but just goes to show that, you know, these things will go on anything. But anyway, we're having a good time. First time she's been out here, first time she's seen the place, so she's liking it. It's good relaxation. So okay, that's enough for now. See you in the next episode. Bye. This is Holy Grail. Yeah, I was out there with a few locals, and first played out after 7 o'clock, bang, away she went. So I've got the Holy Grail. You ripper. Woo! Woo! There we go. Nice jewie, about 15.5, 16 kilo. Well, so here we go. Next episode, we go hope. Here we go. Thank you very much.